How to add IDM extension in Google Chrome. As you can see, I have the Internet Download Manager downloaded on my computer, but actually there is no extension for IDM in my Google Chrome browser. If you are also facing the same issue, then don't worry, just open your Google Chrome browser. Now search for IDM Extension Download in the Google search bar. Open the first result. IDM extension is not shown in Chrome extensions list. This is the official website of the Internet Download Manager, and if you see here they're saying, please note that all IDM extensions that can be found in Google Store are fake and should not be used. Now scroll down a bit and click on this official link to add the IDM extension into your Google Chrome browser. You can click on the link in the video description below to reach out to this page directly. As you can see, they have more than 20 million users with 4.2 star ratings. Now click on Add to Chrome button, and then click on Add Extension. Now if I click on the three dots in the top right corner and go to Extensions, as you can see, here is the IDM extension. Now just to show you if the IDM extension is working properly, I am going to pixabay.com. Here, if I go to the Videos section, as you can see, here is the pop-up on the top of the video to download this video through IDM extension. If I download this video manually as well, as you can see, the video is now downloading from the IDM extension. That's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like on this video and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.